Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful greeting card using stamping technique, and also I have created the background using stencils and colored the butterflies using watercolors. So there are so many techniques in one card. So let's draw with Shivani. So here I am taking this beautiful scripted stencil by iCraft, and I'm just positioning it on my cardstock. The cardstock I am using is 300 GSM by Dress My Craft, and using the popsicle orange distress oxide ink, I am just applying the ink on the stencil. Now remove the stencil and your background is ready. Now to create the masking technique, I am taking the black archival ink and the cute butterfly stamp by Itsy Bitsy. So first adding the ink on stamp, and then to create mask I am taking this stamping mask sheet by Mudra, and I am just stamping my butterfly on top of this. I will show you how to use the masking in your stamping technique. So I have stamped my butterfly on the masking paper, and now I'm just fussy cutting this butterfly using my scissor. So the butterfly cutout is ready. Now taking back my card, and then I will start stamping my butterfly. So just adding ink again on the stamp. And just stamping it on the right lower corner. Now here comes the role of the masking technique. Now if I want to add another butterfly on this direction, so it will overlap my bottom butterfly, and I don't want to do that. So for this I have created this masking. So just removing the top layer, and now it became like a sticker. So I'm just sticking this butterfly on top of our stamped butterfly, and now I will stamp on this so that it will not harm our below butterfly, and we can create beautiful dimensional cards using this masking technique. So in any way you can just stamp it, and you can easily overlap the below design. Now I'm just removing the masking slowly, and can you see both design are their separate impression. Now similarly I am adding the masking on the second butterfly and repeating the design on whole diagonal line, and I am using same mask for complete card. You can use this mask as many as times as you need, till the time it has the adhesive on back side. So it's done. Allow the ink to set for some time. Now also I am adding some one-sided butterflies here and there from the same stamp set. So the stamping is done. Now it's time to do the watercoloring. So here I am using the beautiful watercolors by Little Birdie, and today I am going to color my butterflies using hot color palette, that is yellow, orange and reds. You can use any colors of your choice to color these butterflies. All the supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. Now simply I am coloring all the butterflies one by one. And the coloring is done. Now I'm just adding the sentiment "You are special." And the beautiful card in very less time is ready, and it's looking like a ready-made card. Isn't it a beautiful technique? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.